welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Want to make your photos dance around? I'll show you the Canva shuffle effect step by step. Click Create, select Custom Size, and set dimensions to 1000 by 1000 pixels. Go to Elements and select Frame. The side element is here. Select it, then duplicate to create a copy for further editing or use. Select all items on the screen now. Next, click and drag to resize the element as needed. Open the box, then go to File and click Settings. Select Show Margin, Add Guides, or Show Ruler and Guides. Now, use the rulers for precise alignment. Drag here to align the elements together. Use the Position option here to adjust the layout. Select Position to align or move elements as needed within your design. Search for family photos, then drag and drop them into your project. Select any photo from your library to begin editing or sharing. Next, you can add guides to the workspace for precise alignment. Arrange the photos by dragging this photo to the desired position. Continue adjusting each photo until you achieve the perfect layout. Next, duplicate the page. After duplicating, we will shuffle the images on the new page. This allows you to try different arrangements without altering the original layout. Select all images, then move them around to explore various configurations. Experiment with positioning until you find a layout that works best for your design. Duplicating the page first preserves your original work and gives you flexibility to compare different image orders. Once satisfied, save your changes and proceed to the next step. For example, place this one here, then position the other one there as shown. Add another slide and swap the image. You can add as many slides as you want, which will extend the overall duration of your presentation. Add a transition by dragging to adjust its position. Apply it to all pages, then preview the video to see the effect. Now, click File to proceed. Select all pages by holding Shift and clicking. Then, go to File, open Settings, and disable rulers and margins. Click Share, then Download. Increase the video quality or choose to download it as a GIF format. Now you know how to create a photo shuffle effect in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more design tips.